Hi, my name is Aneya Marie and I am with clownantics.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a flower corsage. This one you don't have to blow up all the way because we're not going to use all of it, but you do want to make sure that it's malleable. So go ahead and make sure you let out a lot of air so that when you pinch, it's easily pinched. Tie it off. And start on your flower petals, which is just a fold and a pinch twist. It's going to be up to you. I like to tie it off, pull it through the petal a few times, and squeeze air down. So it's going to be up to you how many petals you want. I do on average 5 to 6, depending on how much air I have and how big I want it. Relatively, really try and make the petals the same size. It's not always possible, but it will look better. I'm on my 4th petal, and to my 5th. Don't worry, it looks like a blob. We'll fix it in a second. You'll have your little end piece. If you have extra, you'll just have to pop your petals or pop the extra and tie it off. So you'll have something that looks kind of crazy. I have 6 petals here. You can do it with 5 also. You're going to go ahead and grab 3 of the petals and twist them out. Make sure that we're getting it nice and tight. You're gonna go ahead and switch the petals that you have. You wanna have 3 different petals and go ahead and twist them. Start to mold it. You might have to do that a couple times until you can find the right placement, so I still have to keep working on this Rubik's Cube of petals. When you find the right combination, it's in the shape of your flower. I have a little bit extra. I'm gonna pop that at the end. Go ahead and pick the middle of the flower. It's like a balloon. You don't need a lot. I let a lot of air out. I have a lot left over here and a lot left over here. On this side, I'm going to go ahead and throw that into the middle of your flower. Thread it through the petals. At this point, you can pop your extra. I'm going to go ahead and pop it. You have your popped piece. Go ahead and thread that through the petals. You'll have this extra. Go ahead and pinch the top. Pull it down and over. Just like before, thread it through your petals. You're gonna go ahead and take the very, very end, stretch it, and thread it through 1 or 2 petals. This leaves extra over. Put it on the wrist of your child, and you have a beautiful flower corsage. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow the links below and share with your friends.